It's a very windy day. Micah, would you like to tell us what you're trying to do here?
I'm attempting to be the first man to Lancer.
The first man ever to Lancer? I really think this is a totally unique... Okay, let me back up. So he's got the big wheel, and it's carved. This is proof that my 16-year-old is the same kid that he was when he was 8. Alright, what was the wind? Because of the hurricane in Texas, we're having a lot of wind today, even though we're all the way in Kentucky. Woo! The whole 2 feet.
Hey Ma, we can definitely use that for a parachute.
I don't think that counted as the wind.
A bike, no. A car, yeah.
Jacob, go do what I said to do. Jacob. Now.
Yeah, with the parachute, the wheel. Stop it. Hey, Mom.
Hi, buddy.
Hey.
Oh, I just thought it would be fun to get a video of what Micah's doing.
Oh, good. Woo!